Hello, and today's experiment is called painting a proud little picture. For this, you're going to need from your kit the beaker, a piece of litmus paper, some purple sweet potato powder, your measuring spoon, and a petri dish. From home, you'll need some water, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, a paper plate, and 3 cotton swabs. Pour 20 milliliters of water into the beaker and add 2 large level spoonfuls full of the purple sweet potato powder. Make sure that they're level. Then stir so that we mix this well. Pour that into the petri dish and add your litmus paper. Allow it to soak for about 30 seconds. And then set it on top of your paper plate to let it dry. I've already done that. I have one right here. Using your cotton swabs as a paintbrush, I want you to dip it first into the lemon juice and then paint a little picture on the litmus paper. Next, take your second cotton swab and dip it into the orange juice. We'll paint again. Notice what happens to the litmus paper. Now, put the third cotton swab into the vinegar and see what happens. A work of art.